Hello everyone, in this session we'll learn how to configure your AWS account with CloudRanger. I already have an existing account that I've configured, but if you want to add a new account and manage it with CloudRanger, you can start by creating an account. I'm going to give it a name called Druva. Once this account is created, you should see an option within that account to actually configure it to the AWS account that you want to manage from CloudRanger. So there's an option here to connect to AWS. CloudRanger uses a role-based approach to access your AWS account. From an AWS perspective, what we would end up doing is we would create an IAM-based role there. To simplify the process of having to create that, CloudRanger provides an out-of-the-box CloudFormation template. The details of what permissions are actually available here, you can actually download the script if you want to look at it. Occasionally, you might have some customers that come back and say they do not want all these permissions to be granted. In that case, you could reach out to our support team to help in removing the additional permissions, which would limit certain capabilities within the product. Now, there's also a help provided here, which should provide you information on, if you want to see how to go about doing it with the CloudRangers, with the AWS side of it. Now, I'm going to connect to AWS. I've already signed in into my account. And because of that, if I say connect to AWS, what CloudRanger is going to do is it's going to further simplify the process of having to run this CloudFormation template. So you can see the stack is already auto-populated. I click here and then I say create the role. Okay, once the stack has completed executing, what you need to do now is to go to the output section. You'll see the ARN information here. You need to copy this, come back to the CloudRanger step, and go to the second part of it and just paste this information here. That's it. Clicking on save should immediately start the process of CloudRanger automatically triggering to see if you can access the account, and then start the process to sync and discover all information within the AWS account that you're managing, that you want managed across. Once the sync operations are completed, all you have to do is come back to the server options, and you can see all your servers have been discovered. You're now ready to put the further policies and manage this account.